In tonight's Ask Anthony, a retired Jacksonville police officer says he and his brothers are having a difficult time getting money from their mother's bank account after her recent death. With nowhere else to turn, he came to me for help, and tonight I'm getting answers for this family.
This was her third bout with thyroid cancer, and she actually survived a couple of years longer than the doctors originally expected.
It's been more than 2 months since Dusty Gregory's mother, Linda, died from thyroid cancer. In the middle of his grief, he's dealing with a problem that's causing even more heartache.
We get treated like this at the loss of my mother, and truthfully, my wife keeps asking the same question, and then my brothers do. What is their end run? What do they even want?
Gregory says his mother had a checking account with Truist Bank. His younger brother's name was on the checking account as well.
He did not even know my mother had put him on this account. I mean, she had credit cards that she'd had our names put on. She'd given us each one of her credit cards. So if we were doing work at her house, we could do stuff.
The brothers thought it would be an easy process to get the money out of the account after showing employees at the Bay Meadows location their mom's death certificate.
Well, they tell us that he has never signed a signature card, so officially he does not exist on the account, and they won't even talk to us. Won't tell us how much is in the account, won't tell us anything about it, won't tell us what we need to provide them, anything.
The brothers eventually got that matter resolved, but Gregory says there was another hurdle in the way. He says the bank said his younger brother also had legal claims to the money.
And I said, that's fine. We told you initially. He said when he was sitting in their office that he would fill in a form saying he relinquishes all claim to the account because it's divided 3 ways anyway, by her will.
Gregory says after producing numerous documents for the bank, talking to attorneys, and producing additional paperwork, the money was still sitting in the account.
And how frustrating is that for you to go through something like that if you just lost your mother?
It was huge because her name was on it. Like I said, I understand organizations have to deal with things the way that they're supposed to. Like I said, in many cases, okay, we need a copy of the will, we need a copy of the death certificate. We had that with us at the time.
And I contacted the corporate office for Truist Bank about Gregory's problem. I explained the situation, and this afternoon, just a few hours before this newscast, the bank gave him the money in his mother's account. Remember, if you have a problem you just can't solve, you can always email me at askanthony@firstcoastnews.com.